Product Review Number 1. The World of Patio Elizabeth Cast Aluminum Powder-Coated Party Bar Table. Color Antique Bronze. Shape Semicircle. Brand The World of Patio. Style Classic. Top material type aluminum. About this item. 15-year frame limited warranty. Solid cast aluminum frame, non-rust guarantee. 5-stage powder-coated finish is best in class for cast aluminum furniture, elegant antique bronze finish. Classic, beautiful, yet comfortable and durable. Includes 1. Elizabeth Party Bar Table, dimension W75 x D38.5 x H40. Product description. The Elizabeth Outdoor Furniture Collection boasts a timeless design that is elegant yet comfortable and durable. The Elizabeth Party Bar Table is made with high-quality cast aluminum with 5-stage powder-coated antique bronze finish. Guarantee 100% rust-free. It will last for many years of family summertime fun and endless outdoor entertainment occasions. Product Review Number 2. Ansoni Elizabeth Outdoor Patio Party Bar Dark Bronze Cast Aluminum, 0.1 Elizabeth Half Moon Party Bar Table W75 x D30 x H40 Dark Bronze Color. Cast aluminum, powder-coated, 5 years warranty, rust-free, assembly required. Please note when we ship this bar, the shipment may include some empty boxes to be used as cushions for the bar. Product description. Elizabeth Half Moon Party Bar total sizes W75 x D39 x H40 powder-coated cast aluminum, rust-free. Product dimensions 75 by 30 by 40 inches. Manufacturer Patio Land Outdoor Living. ASINB 00 OST 5 PQ. Country of origin China. Product Review Number 3. Modway Shore 5-piece aluminum outdoor patio pub bistro set with bar stools in silver gray. Color silver gray. Brand Modway. Size pub bistro set of 5. Item weight 204 pounds. Style modern, contemporary. About this item. Patio refresh, update your backyard or porch with inviting modern patio dining furniture. Effortlessly accommodate the needs of your guests while creating the perfect outdoor patio dining setting. Weather resistant, with a modern design, this outdoor patio pub set features plastic wood slats and durable anodized aluminum frames that are water and UV resistant for years of outdoor use. Contemporary style, renewing decks, backyards and poolsides, the Shore collection boasts clean lines and a sleek profile. Wood grain plastic paneling creates the ideal spot to relax and entertain. Outdoor dining, enjoy dinner under the stars or a sunny lunch on the patio with this outdoor dining set. Accommodating up to 4 people, the patio set includes a bar height table and 4 bar stools. Patio pub set measurements, the Shore collection is perfect for any summer soiree. Table dimensions, 59.5 L x 27.5 inches wide by 43.5 inches high, bar stool, 21.5 L x 20 inches wide by 44.5 inches high, weight capacity, 331 pounds each. Product Review Number 4. Crosley Furniture 3-piece Bradenton Outdoor Wicker Bar Set with 2 stools and cushions set includes, full-size bar and 2 stools. Plenty of room for storing barware and spirits. High-quality rattan-styled round wicker. UV-resistant with durable steel frame for long-lasting style. Easy to assemble. Product description. Spend warm summer days and balmy summer nights in luxury with the 3-piece Bradenton Wicker Bar Set from Crosley. All-weather wicker and 3 choices of UV-resistant fabric cushions combine elegant lines with casual comfort in one versatile design with dozens of possibilities. Including a full-size bar and 2 matched stools, this set is ideal for designing a cozy entertaining nook in any outdoor environment. Warranty and support. If you'd like a copy of the manufacturer's warranty for a product found on Amazon.com, you can contact the manufacturer directly or visit their website for more information. Manufacturer's warranties may not apply in all cases, depending on factors like the use of the product, where the product was purchased, or who you purchased the product from. Please review the warranty carefully, and contact the manufacturer if you have any questions. Product Review Number 5. Elm Tree Outdoor Patio Set 4 PC Swivel Bar Stools Dark Bronze Cast Aluminum. Color Walnut. Frame material metal. Brand Patio Land. Size 30 inches. Furniture finish walnut. About this item: 4 palm tree swivel bar stools, 30 inches high seat height. Seat cushions included, walnut color. Overall dimension, W25XD226XH50. Seat dimension, W21XD18XH30. Cast aluminum, powder coated, premium quality, 5 years warranty, rust free, assembly required. Please measure from the ground to the bottom of your counter table before ordering these bar stools. Tips: table 40 high, then right size bar stool is 30H. Seat level, table 36 high, then right size bar stool is 26. Seat level, table 34 high, then right size bar stool is 24H. Seat level. Product information. Color walnut. Frame material metal. Brand Patio Land. Size 30 inches. Furniture finish walnut. Seat height 30 inches. Shape L-shaped. Assembly required, yes. Manufacturer Patio Land Outdoor Living. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.